Very few have joined till now. Only 13 are there. 14 now. 14 have joined the meeting. We're waiting for some more students to join now. 15. In few seconds, I will start the class. So this is my third lecture today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The board is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Hello. Yeah. Let us start now. So we have already started linear equation. We have understood what are linear equations. In the first class today, I think we had understood the concept. What are linear equations in one variable? We have all understood this.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes,
would
sir.
like to
Yes, sir.
Yes,
just
sir. Understood.
tell what are linear equations
Yes.
in one variable? Can anyone of you tell?
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay, I will call out the name. You will try to tell. Okay, I'm not just forcing you to that you have to tell only. Just try to explain. Okay, don't worry. I will call out the name. So yeah, Krishna. Krishna beta. What are linear equations in one variable?
The two or more algebraic expressions who are separated by an equal to sign and they have a single variable with a power maximum to 1 are called linear equations
Very good.
in one variable.
Very good. Perfect. Very good answer. Now, have you all understood linear equation in one variable? Krishna also just now explained what are linear equations in one variable.
Yes, sir.
When there are two
Sir.
expressions which are
Yes, sir.
separated by a equal to symbol, there are two expressions and there is an equal to symbol between the two expressions, and the degree of the equation is 1. That means it is linear equation and it has only one variable. So the one variable could be only x, or it could be only y, or it could be only z. Any other variable could also be there, but there should be only one variable. So these type of equations are known as linear equations in one variable. Okay, understood. Now, solution of a linear equation, let me call out the name. Alind Tandon, would you like to tell what are linear equations in one variable? Your camera is on, Alind? Sorry, what is the solution of a linear equation? Yes, Alind. Very good. What are linear equations? What is the meaning of solution of a linear equation? Solution of a linear
Solution meaning.
Try to tell.
So solution means the answer that is of x of the variable.
The value of variable is known as solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, but I would like to know something more about it. So, is Anushka there in the class? Anushka Sharma? Anushka, beta, are you there? Let me just. Anushka, your camera is on. Yes, Anushka, would you like to explain what is define? What is solution of a linear equation? Yeah, just try. Don't worry if your answer is wrong, doesn't matter. Anushka, I think there's some network problem with Anushka.
Can please repeat it one more time?
Well, Anushka is there. I think she's there in the meeting. Anushka, beta, are you there? No, I don't. Mishra ji, are you there? Aditya Mishra. Yes, Mishra ji.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Solution of a linear
Sir,
equation.
the solution of a linear equation is that in which LHS and RHS are equal and the value of the unknown number is defined.
Value of the unknown is defined. Okay. Okay. Very much correct. Now let me one more time. Let me tell you all. So that value, solution of a linear equation. That value of x. Solution is that value of variable, not x. That value of variable at which the LHS of the equation, if I put the value of the variable in the LHS and I put the value of the variable in the RHS, both the sides of the equation, in the LHS also and the RHS also, I am putting the value of the variable. So that value of variable at which the LHS becomes equal to the RHS. Okay. So that value is known as solution of the equation. Understood all of you? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anushka, beta, got it?
Yes, sir. ला दे मुझे, मैं उससे ज्वाइन करूँ। मैं उससे कहूँगी दे मुझे, तू फोन तो उठा, मुझे आता है तरीका।
Keep your mics off, all of you. Yeah. So now let us start with the exercise. Any doubt, anyone in the basic concepts of the chapter?
No, sir.
First of
No,
all,
sir.
I have
No
told you
doubt.
what are linear
No,
equations.
sir.
And the second
sir.
thing that I told you is the meaning of solution of a linear equation. These are the
नहीं
basics
दिखा रहा है।
of the chapter. Keep your mics off.
Sir, this transformation.
मिश्रा जी माइक ऑफ कर लीजिए।
Sir, what is transposition? Sir, transposition.
Sorry,
Sir, what is transposition?
sorry, I'm not able to hear what you are saying. The voice is not clear.
Sir, I'm given in the book.
Sorry,
Transposition. Sir, transposition.
Sir, he is asking what is transposition?
What is
Transposition. Transposition.
transposition? Yes, we are going to discuss about it, all these things, when we start solving the questions. Okay. So just now when the class was about to end, we are not starting the exercise here. When the previous class was about to end, I was on this question. I was finding the solution of this equation. 5x minus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. Okay. So this equation,
Yes, sir.
we have already found that x equals to 4 is the solution of this equation. We have already found this. But the method that we used to find the solution was not a proper method. That method is known as written trial method. In Hindi we call it as tukka bidhao method. Written trial. In Hindi it is known as tukka maro. So tukka maro method क्या था? Tukka मार के we found the answer. We put the value of x in LHS. LHS में put करा 5x minus 6. Then we got LHS equals to 14. If you put x equals to 4 here, you will get 14. And if you put x equals to 4 here also, 4x minus 2, then also you will get 14. First we tried with which value? First we tried with 3. Okay, so we are not going to try and find the value every time. Try करके नहीं निकालेंगे. Hit and trial. This is known as hit and trial. So that this method is not a good method. Okay. So there should be a proper method to find the value of find the solution of the equation. So what is this method? The proper method is this. How to do it. Now I am going to explain you the proper method. Be very attentive. How to find the solution of a linear equation. This is what you have to do in the whole chapter. You will find the solution of the given equation. Okay. So first of all, look for the terms which contain x. In the LHS, which term is having x in it? First term or second term?
5x. First.
First term, 5x. And in the LHS, which term has x?
The first term.
First term.
4x.
First.
So take all the terms which have x to LHS. How you can do this? 5x is also already there in LHS. Now this 4x, it has x in this term. There is x in this term. So you want to take it to LHS. This is a method. You will take it to LHS. But when you take this 4x to LHS, it will become minus 4x. Sign will be changed. Okay, this is plus 4x, so it
Yes,
will become
sir.
minus 4x. So these are the rules. This is the rule you have to follow. And the terms which are not containing x, like this term minus 6, you will take it to RHS. Minus 2 is already there in the RHS. I have written minus 2. Keep your mics off. Minus 2 is already there in the RHS. Now, minus 6 also you have to take in the RHS. Minus 6 when you take in the RHS, it will become plus 6. You have done these type of questions since class 6 also. 5x minus 4x, light terms, algebraic expressions, yaad hai? How to subtract?
Yes,
light
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5x minus 4x is equal
X
to
is equal to
Sir,
4.
x equal to
integers.
4.
These are integers. Integers chapter
Is
yaad
equal
hai?
to 4.
Minus
X is equal to
4.
4.
is equal to 4. What is the value of x? X equal to 4.
4.
4.
Understood?
4.
Chaitanya beta, keep your mic off. You are again and again turning on your mic and the class is getting disturbed.
Sir, my mic is off.
Beta, again and
Sir,
again.
my mic is off.
Right now it is off, but it is getting turned on again and again. So please.
Okay, sir.
Understood the method? How to solve a linear equation? This is the proper method to solve a linear equation. We are going to learn more about it when we start the exercise. Now let us start the exercise. We will do all these questions using this method only. You don't have to check the answers. I have given you permission. If you want to check, you can do it. Otherwise, it is not necessary. Exercise 7A. Question number 1. Very simple question. 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay. This minus 5 will go to RHS because this is not having x. This term is not having x. We will take it to RHS. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Dx is equal to 5. Now this 3 is in multiply with x. 3 and x are in multiplication. So when you remove 3 from LHS and take it to RHS, it will go in divide. X is
So
equal
the
to
answer will be 1
5
whole
upon
2
3.
upon 3.
From numerator, it will go to the denominator. Cross multiplication. If something is there in the numerator with multiply, it is in multiply, then it will go in the denominator. So x equals to 5 upon 3. This is your answer. Any doubt?
So we can also write.
Sir, we can also write 1 whole 2 upon 3.
Not necessary. You can leave your answer here also.
Okay, sir.
So next question which we have to do.
Yeah, wait. Question number 2.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let us do question 2 now. This is 8x minus 3 equals to 9 minus 2x. 8x minus 3 equals to 9 minus 2x. Okay.
So
So this 2x, it is having x, this term, you take it to LHS. 8x plus 2x. Minus 2x था, LHS में आके plus 2x हो गया. And this minus 3 is not having x, so you take it to RHS. 9 plus 3. So all the terms containing x should be on one side, and all the terms not having x.
Sir, x is equal to 5 upon 3.
10x equals to 12. X equals to 12 upon 10. X equals to 6 upon 5.
6 upon 5.
6 upon 5.
Yeah. 6 upon 5 is the answer. X equals to 6 upon 5. This is the solution of the equation. ये solution है equation का, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If I put x equals to 6 upon 5 here in the LHS and here in the RHS also, you will get LHS equals to RHS. But that thing you don't have to do. You just have to find the solution. We have found the solution.
So which question we will do next?
Sorry, beta. Be a bit louder. You're not audible.
Sir, please tell the questions we have to do after question number 2.
Question number 4. Now, you want to do these questions on your own?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We
Yes,
can do
sir.
whole exercise.
Sir, we want to do it our own.
Okay, do question 4, 6, and 8 right now. 4, 6, and 8.
No,
Question 4,
Sir,
6.
please repeat.
Question number 4, question number 6, and question number 8.
Okay, sir.
So what if there is no equal to sign, then how you will find?
Sorry, beta. क्या कह रहे
So
हो?
what if there is no equal to? So what if there is no equal to sign, then how you will find the answer?
Beta, if there is no equal to, that means it is not an equation. How can you find the answer? If there is no equal to symbol, then that means it is not an equation. You cannot solve it.
Okay, sir.
Solving and simplifying are two different things. Simplify करना और solve करना are different things. So if it is not an equation, you can simplify it, but you cannot solve it.
Sir, can you please explain the eighth one?
Eighth one, very good. 4 and 6. Have you all done fourth one and sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone wants to ask sixth one? I'm telling the eighth one. किसी को sixth वाला पूछना?
No, sir. That's
No? So I'm telling the eighth one now. Eighth question. 1/2x minus 3 equals to 5 plus 1/3x. This term has x in it. This term also has x in it. This is not having x. So 1/2x, very simple. 2x minus 1/2x. So all the terms containing x are in the LHS now, and the terms without x are in the RHS now. Minus 3 will go to RHS and it will become plus 3. Plus 1/3x को मैं LHS में लाया, I have made it negative, minus 1/3x. Now, when you solve these, you have to take the LCM of the denominator and of both the fractions of both the terms. What is the denominator here? 2, and here it is 3. So the LCM is 6. Like you add fractions, in the same way you have to do this. Like you know how to add or subtract fractions, this you have done. So in the same manner you will do this also. So 6 is the denominator, the LCM. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into 1x, this is 1x. So 3, if I multiply it with 1x, it becomes 3x. Minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 2 when multiplied with 1x, it becomes 2x. 2 into 1x is 2x. Minus sign, I have already written. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. X upon 6 is equal to 8. Now, x divided by 6. X is being divided by 6. 6 is in the denominator, so it will go to RHS and it will go and multiply with the numerator.
X is equal to 42.
So here I am doing it. X
equals
8 into 6, that means
X equal to 42.
48. 48. Eight into 6, 48.
Sir, now which questions we have to do?
Have you all understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now try the 11th one. Try the 11th one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Payal is there in the meeting? Payal and Priya. Are they there in the meeting? Priya, Payal? You both are there? No? Why are they not attending the class? Tanishka, Saksham, Ridhima, Pranchal, Neerus, Muskan, Lakshmi, Lakshanya, Kuber, Krishna, Karthik, Chaitanya, Bhavya, Aditya, Gangwar, Aditi, Ara, Valin, Mishra जी. मिश्रा जी माइक ऑफ नहीं करते हैं.
Sir, done.
Very few are there in the meeting. Why? Where are the rest?
Sir, completed.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Yeah.
Sir, done.
If the meeting ends,
Sir,
if
done.
it is going to end, when the meeting ends, you will rejoin for 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So let us discuss 11th one. What is the answer? Let us take your answer.
9.
Yeah.
9.
9.
9.
9 is the answer.
9.
Very good. Let us see what the teacher is going to do. Students have got 9 as the answer.
Bye, sir.
Y minus 4. The variable is y. 13 into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 9 minus 5 into y plus 4. Looks easy. Plus 0. Open all the brackets. 13y. 13 into minus 4 minus 52. Minus 3 into y minus 3y. Don't forget this minus sign. Minus 3 into y minus 3y and minus 3 into minus 9 plus 27. Okay. Minus 5y and minus 20. Okay. 13y minus 3y, 13y. Minus 3y minus 5y. Like terms. And all the terms now which are without x, I'm taking them to RHS. Constant terms. These are also known as constant terms without x. Sorry, without the variable y. That means constant terms. 52 minus 27 plus 20. So when you take the terms to RHS, you change the signs. Minus 52 will become plus 52. Plus 27 will become minus 27 and minus 20 will become plus 20. 13y minus 8y is equal to 5y. And in the RHS, 52 minus 27 is 25. 25 plus 20 is 45. Y is equal to 45 upon 5. That means y is equal to 9. The y equal to 9 is visible to all at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Y equals to 9 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
You all are correct.
So now which question we have to do?
Yeah, just wait.
Sir, I think we have to also do 12th question because it's different.
Yeah, you will do the 12th one. Let's do the 12th one.
Sir, we have to do question number 12.
Yeah. 12. Question number 12. Two m plus 5 whole upon 3 equals to 3m minus 10.
Done.
2m plus 5 equals to 3m minus 10. Okay. So this whole numerator is divided by 3. First of all, you take this 3 from LHS to RHS and it is in divide, so you will take it in multiply. 2m plus 5 3m minus 10 whole multiplied by 3. This 3 will go to RHS. Cross multiplication pada hai na aapne? Same thing we are using here. 3 I have taken to RHS to multiply. Got it? Any doubt? And you will use brackets when you are taking 3 in multiplication. It will be multiplied with both the terms. So 2m plus 5 equals to 3 into 3m, 6m, minus 10 into 3, minus 30. Got it?
Sir, it will come 9m.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, it
9.
will 9m.
9m. 9m. And take 2m from LHS to RHS now. 5 plus 30 is equals to 9m minus 2m. I have taken 2m to RHS. 30 I have taken to LHS. 5 plus 30 is 35. Minus 9m minus 2m is 7m. 7, we will divide 35 by 7.
5 is the answer.
So what is the answer? M equals to 5.
5.
So 5.
M equals to 5 is the answer.
M is equals to 5.
Understood?
So which question next?
Yes, sir.
So I have not understood this one.
Sorry,
Can you
sorry,
please
beta.
explain it again?
Yeah. Sure. Anushka is there. Anushka, beta, are you there? Back in the meeting?
So she was saying on group that her mic is not working.
Mic is not working. Okay, no problem.
Sir, please explain it again.
Yes, beta, I am explaining. See, in this 2m plus 5 whole upon 3, this whole thing is divided by 3. So first what you will do, you will take this 3 from denominator, from LHS to RHS in the numerator. You will multiply this 3 with the numerator of RHS. This is known as cross multiplication method. So 3 will go in numerator and multiply. This thing you have understood or not? यहाँ मैंने जो करा है, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now 3 you will multiply with both the terms. 3 into 3m is 9m and 3 into minus 10 is minus 13. Multiply 3 with both the terms. Now there are two methods after this. You can take 9m to LHS. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. You take 9m to LHS. Or what you can do, you can take 2m to RHS. Both the things are correct. So I have taken 2m to RHS. And I have taken minus 30 to LHS. Okay. So 5 plus 30 equals to 9m minus 2m. So 35 equals to 7m. 9m minus 2m is 7m. Now this 7 will go and divide 35 upon 7. This is equal to 5. M equals to 5 is the answer. Understood?
Okay, sir, got it.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
The
sir.
meeting will end in 10 seconds.
Okay, so you rejoin the meeting after the meeting ends.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Ding.